Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we are going to show you how you can program 2009, 8, 9, even 2007, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Nissan Altima Maxima with a proximity key. So bear with us and let's see what's gonna happen. I always use different tools, but today I'm gonna use Hotel. So here, working key. The car start as a proximity. You see, if I push the button, the car start. I'm gonna put AC a little bit high. By the time we finish, okay. This is the heat. Okay. Yeah, it's coming. When you push auto, it's gonna be a lot. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. I don't know why it's not cooling down. Let me reduce. I'm gonna turn it off for the noise. So I'm gonna go here as usual. Click here. We have two keys. This car have one working key. All the keys should be deleted. So I'm gonna click on immobilizer. Bear with us. Please subscribe, share, and like. The hazard switch is working. I don't want to go by VIN. I'm just gonna go by VIN, and I'm gonna do it this way for to be fast. Ignition is on. I will be able to read the information quick and faster. And then he say hazard on, ignition to be on or off. That's not a problem. But I'm gonna read the information because sometime with the ignition on, you can program an engine computer. You see the VIN number is here already. It's 48%. I'm gonna 90%, 96, 100%. Now it will give you all the options. What you need to do, I'm gonna go to IMO start, remote start. Let me see IMO start.
Ahmed.
Yeah.
Listen to me.
Hazard light is on. I want to do first ignition lock, unlock. That's where you're gonna start. Okay, yes. You're gonna hear it. Unlock success. I wouldn't say yes. Now, key learning. Now, sometimes you have to put the key that you want it. Let's follow what it's gonna say. I'm gonna put one here. Nothing is flash, right? So I'm gonna do this way. Key learning. I did that already. It will erase all the key. Okay, I'm gonna take this key out. Put it back. Turn the key on. Something's supposed to blink. You see now what's gonna happen? Okay. I did not even see. Okay, the car is shifting. I did not even see when the light is flashing 5 times, but it's already programmed. But you have the idea. Follow the step. But the first thing you need to do, you must do the ignition unlock steering lock. If you don't do that, you just try to learn the key, it will not learn. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Sometimes I can skip some stuff, but this is the basic of how you program those keys. I may not be accurate 100%. If you understand the basics, you're dealing with the computer with the keyboard, like you're just opening your laptop on the desktop and you're dealing with the computers, and those are the keyboards. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe and share, and see you in another video.